I've got some gray coming in. I haven't bleached my hair for a really long time. I just recently got it cut to get all the like dead off, and kind of like New Year when I get kind of a better hair color. I really don't like this color. I went to Sally's and I got again Ultra Bond. This is a cream permanent. It's a cream lightener rather than like a bleaching type of powder. They said you can use any kind of developer. Since I've got really dark hair, I'm going to be using a 30. This says it's supposed to lift up to 9 levels, so hopefully that's very light. And then I'll be toning it with the Ion. It's called Platinum Lace, and they suggested to just use a 20 developer of any brand. I'm going to do the back first, but I'm going to show like how I do this whole side part, the whole crown of my head. I know. Ignore it. I did the bleach on the back of my head for like 2 hours. This is what it looks like now. Pretty yellow still. I'm going to wash out the back of it, and I'm going to leave this side for a little bit more. Okay, bye. So this is how it came out. Obviously the toner did pretty well. My roots got real dark. The back part was on for about 3 hours, and I feel like when I've bleached my hair directly before, it's it usually gets pretty light, though I feel like this was pretty inconsistent. So I'm not sure if it's something that I did wrong or if it's just the bleach itself. I mean, lifting 9 shades, I don't really feel like it did that. I mean, I know I have really dark hair, and I know that it was going to take some time. I definitely didn't leave it on top as much. Since this is a result, I deposit a lot of purple, so I'm going to hold off on bleaching again, and I'm going to go ahead and do purple, and I'm going to fade it into like a pretty lavender color, and then probably leave the tips kind of light and purple is the color, which this doesn't look very pretty, but at the store it looked really dark, so I'm hoping that it's more like the tester and not this color from Ion Semi-Permanent Lavender. So I went ahead and did my whole head. I know I look crazy. I left a lot of the ends out just because I know that it's like a real pretty like silvery color, and I'm thinking that it's going to blend in really well with the purple and the lavender back of it. Just to like 45 minutes. I have an antenna. I mean, it'll fade, whatever. So I guess I should probably wash it out. I'll be back. Hello. As you can see, my hair is a lot of different colors now. It's a process, and I know people would be like, what the fuck is wrong with your hair? It's bad. It's really like, it's not okay. So, the next step is to bleach it again. And that'll be the 3rd time I bleach it. This has probably been in a span of like a week, and I'm probably not supposed to do that. I'm gonna go back to using what I normally use, which is a Kaleidoscope, and lace one last time. And instead of leaving it on the 20 minutes. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna take it out like 10 because I really want it to be like a white. I don't want it to deposit that extra purple. So that's the plan. It looks like it got a lot lighter. You can see the band on my head because I put like a Hello Kitty shower cap on top of my head just so the bleach better. So I'm gonna wash it out now. It better effing come out the color I want. Okay, so I washed out my hair. Towel drain it so I can do the so yeah, it's still really yellow. Third time. It's very gold. I'm getting a lot of that brown nasty out, but it's still very, you know, orangey, brassy. It's not as white as I was hoping it was going to be by now, but that's fine. I'm going to tone it right now, and then, like I said, I'm only going to leave it on for 15 minutes, not for 30. And as soon as I see it starting to kind of turn a little bit purple, I'm going to wash it out. So, still see this band on my head. Oh. Okay, bye. Hi, so I'm back. Took a while. So this is how my hair came out. So I don't know where this blue came from, but it's cool. Whatever. So I ended up with kind of yellowish. It's still pretty brassy. I'm not like in love with it, but it's fine. It kind of ended up looking like unicorn hair, or like what people call mermaid hair. I like it. It's cute, so I'm happy. Took long enough to get here. So thanks for watching, and we'll see what I do with my next